Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Chrysler Pacifica. To begin, ensure your key fob is within range of your vehicle. This convenient feature allows you to warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside. It's perfect for those cold mornings or hot afternoons, providing comfort right from your home or office. Just a few simple presses on your key fob will get your Pacifica ready for your journey. To activate remote start using your key fob, first ensure all doors are securely closed and locked. Then, press the remote start button on your key fob 2 times within 5 seconds. The parking lights will flash and the engine will start. Your Pacifica's engine will run for 10 minutes, providing ample time to prepare for your drive. You can extend this time if needed. For your Chrysler Pacifica's remote start to work, several conditions must be met. The hood must be completely closed and the transmission must be in park. Additionally, the vehicle's battery needs to have a sufficient charge. If your check engine light is illuminated, or if there's low fuel, the remote start feature may not engage. Always ensure these conditions are met for a smooth start. Beyond the key fob, some Chrysler Pacifica models offer advanced remote start capabilities through a dedicated smartphone application. This app can provide extended run times, allowing your vehicle to warm up or cool down for longer periods. It also often includes climate control options, letting you set the perfect temperature before you even open the door. For more great deals and the link to grab a little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.